Foreign Beauties, your girl Euniycemari here, and today I'm going to give you some tips on how to be a bare-faced baddie. Yes, you heard me right, a bare-faced baddie. Okay, if you're new to my channel, hello, my name is Euniycemari, and my channel is all about informative beauty from skincare, hair care, makeup, DIY, all that fun stuff. If you're not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for, girl? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure you turn on the post notification bell so you're notified when I upload. And make sure you hit that thumbs up and share your girl with the world, okay? So I figured I'd do this bare-faced baddie, or how to be a bare-faced baddie, because I just felt like it was different from, the usual, Instagram baddies and all that stuff. But not only that, is that I had my moments like today where I don't feel like wearing makeup. I only wear makeup about 4 days out the week, 4 to 5 days out the week, I would say, depending on my mood. And today's one of those days where I was like, I need to film some content, but I don't feel like putting any makeup on. So I felt like I could share with you guys some tips on how you can be a bare-faced baddie, walk out that front door, not have to worry about beating your face to the gods, okay? But being able to just walk out in your own skin and being confident. All right, let's get into this. Before we start, if you want to see my own acne journey, my own skincare journey, and my also skincare tips that I give, I have a lot of them, like your basic skincare routine, how to pick out a toner, all that. That playlist will be down below and above, so you can go ahead and check that out to see a little bit of history of my acne journey, where I started to now. All right, so tip number one on how to be a bare-faced baddie. Tip number one. Okay, Eunice, we all know it's tip number one now, is that you need to know your skin, okay? When you know your skin, you are way more confident. And I've said this before. You guys have heard it before. It is going to be always said when it comes to the skincare. Know your skin. Is your skin dry? Is it wiggly? Is it sensitive? Is it acne prone? The more you know, the better, okay? The more you know, the more confident you are. And that leads into tip number two. When you know your skin, you know what products to go for. You know what products are going to work for you. So number two is using products that are going to support your skin type, okay? If you're dry skin, using things that have humectants, that have creams, that are going to moisturize, that are going to give you a glow, okay? And when you have that glow and you're adding to your skin, that nobody can tell you nothing. You know your skin, you know what's wrong with it, you know how to cure it, you use the right products, and you know you're walking out the front door and your skin is looking bomb.com, okay? Tip number three, just go out the door. That's it. Just go out the door. After doing your skincare routine, go out the door. You don't have to worry about putting on makeup. You don't have to worry about doing all that, because if your skincare is solid, when you walk out that door, you don't have to worry about anything else. You go out there and you rock it. Now, this is the thing too, all right? And this is something that I'm gonna refer to Sanaya Lathan's video or movie. Why can I not think of Napoli Ever After? And when she took off her head wrap, if you haven't seen it, spoiler alert. When she took off her head wrap and the lady said, "Oh, well, you gotta rock that with confidence. Like, you can't just walk around looking all sad when you have a bald head. You got to rock it with confidence," right? Same thing when it comes to that bare face, sweetheart. You got to rock it with confidence. You got to walk out the front door with confidence, okay? You got to walk around with confidence. And that is with anything across the board. So knowing your skin type, having a solid skincare routine, just going for it, just walking out the door, just go. Just go to the mall. Go to the store. Go to your grandma's house. Go. Just go. Just go. And having that confidence, that is it. Just that simple. It's not rocket science, you guys. It's not rocket science. When you have those key things, and confidence is number one. Like I say, fake it till you make it. Even if you're like, holy crap, I'm walking outside with no makeup on, throw on that smile, okay? Let me tell you guys something before I end this video. I get way more compliments on my skin without makeup than I do with makeup, okay? And people are like, "Oh my gosh, your skin is glowing." And I'm like, what? My skin is glowing, but there's this pimple on the side of my face. You know what I mean? And I think a lot of people too, you guys, they're so used to seeing, the makeup and all that, that when they see a real fresh face of skin that looks good and doesn't have anything on it, they're like, wow, people are really interested in that. And I get a lot of conversations started where it's like, well, what are you using? What is the trick? So you guys, it is just that simple how to be a bare-faced baddie. It ain't that bad, okay? And let me tell you something else, all right? Let's go on something else. Nobody's skin is perfect, okay? Nobody's skin is perfect across the board. And you shouldn't be insecure with your imperfections. It's okay. It is perfectly okay to have imperfections. We are all human beings. We're not made perfect. We're human. So it's okay if you got a pimple right here. Go outside and rock that bad boy with confidence, okay? As long as you know your skin and you are using the right proper tools and you are working on your skincare. So let's say you have maybe a scar you're trying to get rid of or a pimple you're trying to get rid of, but your skincare is supporting that. It's going to go away. It's going to get better with time. But have that confidence and be a bare-faced baddie. It is okay. Hopefully this video was pretty straightforward and it wasn't all over the place. This is a really completely random video that just came to mind, but I felt like maybe somebody needed to hear it. And it was just in alignment with how I'm currently feeling at the moment. So this was a perfect video idea. And hopefully you guys enjoyed it on how to be a bare-faced baddie. Have that confidence, you guys. Walk forward in it and show off your best skin. All right. With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. This is your girl Euniycemari. Make sure to rate, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. And I will see you guys in a later video. Bye.